Oxygen cycle in nature. Objective: to understand the cycling of oxygen in the environment. In an ecosystem, the interactions between and activities of producers, consumers, and decomposers will result in the release of many chemical substances such as carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, and water. In this session, let's look at the oxygen cycle and see how oxygen moves through the environment. The atmosphere comprises only 0.35% of the Earth's total oxygen. The major source of oxygen in the atmosphere is photosynthesis. During daylight hours, plants take in the carbon dioxide and use it for photosynthesis, a process that includes the production of oxygen. Phytoplankton are tiny little plants that live on the surface of oceans. Phytoplankton and green algae also makes food through photosynthesis, and they release oxygen in the process. The oxygen that is released by the plants will be used by the animals and plants during respiration. Burning of wood and other fuels, such as those used in vehicles, also uses oxygen. When plants and animals die, they will be decomposed by the microorganisms, such as bacteria. The process of decomposition will take up oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Let's recap how oxygen is cycled in the atmosphere. The trees use sunlight and carbon dioxide to produce energy and release oxygen. The animals will breathe in oxygen and expel carbon dioxide. The trees use carbon dioxide again for photosynthesis and release oxygen. Summary: oxygen enters the atmosphere through the photosynthesis of plants. Animal and plants take in oxygen through respiration. Decaying organisms also use up oxygen.